Today I'm going to take you through a few sun salutations. So come standing at the top of your mat. Feet are hip width distance apart. Press into your feet, engage your quads, engage your belly, soften your shoulders. And just start to connect to your breath. You can close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing that. Setting aside your to-do list. Every time your thoughts wander, just coming back to your breath. Deepen your inhale, lengthen your exhale. On your next inhale, sweep your hands over your head, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep your hands up. This time on your exhale, swan dive forward. Bring your hands wide, hinge at your hips, and come to a forward fold. And then inhale, hands come up to your thighs, have a long, flat back. And on your exhale, step it back to plank, which is top of a push-up. Then bring your knees down, your chin and chest come down to the mat. Keep your elbows tucked in, lower your whole body down. Now we'll find a mini cobra. So lift your chest, keep your neck in line with your spine. Lift your hands to engage your back muscles. Then bring your hands down, shift your hips up and back for child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching. Inhale, come up through table. Tuck your toes, find downward facing dog. And then just start to walk your feet one step at a time, coming to a fold at the top of the mat. Keep those knees bent if you need to. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way up. Exhale, hands through heart, and find mountain pose. Let's do that again. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, swan dive forward, forward fold. Inhale, find that halfway lift. Hands come to your thighs, flat back. Maybe they come to your shins if you have the space. And then exhale, bring it back to plank, top of a push-up. Knees come down, chin and chest lower down. Keep those elbows tucked in, lower all the way down. Inhale, find that mini cobra, or maybe this time you come into a bigger cobra. You can straighten your arms any amount. And then on your exhale, move your hips through table, tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. One step at a time, coming to a fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, move your hands through your heart. Find your mountain pose. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, swan dive forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Maybe your hands come to your shins, but they can come to your thighs if they need to. Exhale, step it back to plank. You can do knees, chin, chest. Oh, we're still doing knees, chin, chest here. Bring it all the way down. Lift for cobra. And then exhale, shift your hips back, tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. And then take those steps, just one step at a time, coming to a forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, hands through heart. Find your mountain pose. Inhale, sweep it up. On your exhale, swan dive forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step it back to plank. And here we have the option. You can do knees, chin, chest, or maybe come forward, shoulders over your wrists, lower down into chaturanga, and then inhale for cobra. Exhale, lift your hips, find downward facing dog. So you can always do knees, chin, chest. You can even just hold plank when we move through those, or you can do the full version. Step it forward, forward fold. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way over your head. Exhale, hands through heart. Mountain pose. Let's move through one more. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step it back to plank. Lower into chaturanga. Keep your elbows tucked in. Inhale, find cobra. Exhale, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Take a few breaths. And then bend your knees, look forward, step, or just walk to your fold. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands through your heart and find your mountain pose. And we'll just take a few deep breaths here, recentering, reconnecting. Maybe finding some gratitude And take a deep breath in through your nose, sigh it out through your mouth. Namaste.